Back to School crew, and we're here to tell you about our awesome Cabot Middle Schools. I'm Ames Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap. The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Susie Kelly, Terry Duncan, and Micah House.
The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Amy Morrow, and Casey Hill.
Middle school is an amazing 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome school activities such as Space Camp, Rockin' at the Hop, track and field, and so much more.
The first day of school is Tuesday, August 13th. Postcards with team assignments will be mailed out in advance of open house.
Open house for 5th graders will be Monday, August 5th from 4:30 to 6 o'clock p.m. for teams 5-1, 5-2, and 5-3, and 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. for teams 5-4, 5-5, and 5-6.
Open house for 6th graders will be Tuesday, August 6th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 6-1, 6-2, and 6-3, and 6 to 7:30 p.m. for teams 6-4 and 6-5.
This is a great opportunity for parents to come and learn more about the middle school and their child's teachers and other important information. During open house, parents can put money into their students' accounts and pay for breakfast and lunch. You can also do it online. Just look for the Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section in each school's website.
Also, during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals, or you can apply online by going to the district's website or clicking on the Easy Meal app link on your school's website.
Each student will be asked to pay a one-time supply fee of $25. It can be paid at open house or online. Just click an online payment store link on your school's website. It can also be found on the district website under resources for parents.
In addition to the supply fee, students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle if desired.
And please remember, if your student currently owes any fines, such as library or lunch charges, these can be taken care of during open house in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must pre-register or update their information online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We look forward to a great school year.
Have a good one.